Hello, my dear children. Hope all of you are doing good at your home. So, children, in previous class, we had read this lesson, A Rainy Day. I hope all of you enjoyed at the time while I was reading, and you were also reading at the time with me. So, today I am going to explain this lesson. Listen carefully, children. Take out your English to textbook. No need to read it. Just look at the pictures only. If you can't see the picture from your mobile or laptop, you just take out your English to textbook and you can see the picture from there while I will explain. Okay? So here the story is about a little boy whose name is Amol. You can see the boy here, children. Yes. Here is a little boy whose name is Amol. He was coming back from school. One day he was coming back from school. He was walking very fast. बहुत जल्दी जल्दी से चाली चाली आसुला. Walking माने चालीबा. Fast माने जल्दी. There are black clouds in the sky. Children, you can see the picture here. There are black clouds. Clouds means megho. So while the boy Amol was walking from the school, coming back from the school, he saw that black clouds were on the sky. It means it was about to rain. Borsa hebaku jautula. So that's why black clouds were on the sky. So he is feeling scared. SCARED. Scared means dori jiba. So Amol, after looking the clouds, Amol was feeling scared. Say dori gola. What if it rains? He said to himself like that. What if it rains? Borsa podle kon hobo? Mu odda hi jibi. He does not have a raincoat. Children, Amol have not taken his raincoat with him. That's why he was feeling scared that if it will rain means he will get wet. He does not want to get wet. से ବର୍ଷାରେ ଓଦା ହେବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହୁଁନଥିଲା. wet, WET, wet means ଓଦା ହେବା. So ସେ ବର୍ଷାରେ ଓଦା ହେବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହୁଁନଥିଲା because if he will get wet, he will get sick. That's why he does not want to get wet. Understood, children? Suddenly it begins to rain. Suddenly कौन ହେଲା? ବର୍ଷା ଆସିଗଲା. Big raindrops fall on Amol. When it was raining, if we will stand on outside or outside from the house means we will get wet, na children. They fall on the road, they fall on the houses. ଯେତେବେଳେ ବର୍ଷା ଆସେ କ'ଣ ହୁଏ? ସବୁଥିରେ ପଡ଼େ ସେ ପାଣି ଟୋପା ଯାକ. They fall on the road. ରାସ୍ତାରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ବର୍ଷା ପଡ଼ିଲା. They fall on the houses. ଘର ଉପରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ପଡ଼ିଲା. But if the raindrops fall on the houses, but the persons who were inside the home, they never get wet because they are living under the house. Means slab is there now, children. That's why they will not get wet. But if they stand outside from the house, they will get wet easily. Understood? Amol stands under a tree. So Amol कौन भाविला मु जदि एबे जीबी ओदा हे जीबी एवं मो देह खराब हे जिवो. So what Amol did, he went towards the tree and stand under a tree. गच्छ तळे जाइकी ठिया हला. The tree does not let Amol get wet. Children, have you ever faced this type of problem when you are coming back from school and suddenly rain comes? Have you ever stand under a tree which was very big? Then you will understand that, children, if you stand under a big tree, you will have very less chance to get wet because the tree is having too many branches and too many leaves on it. So the tree will never let you get wet completely. Understood? A little pup comes running. See the picture, children. Pup means what? Here is a small doggy. A little pup comes running. So while Amol was standing under a tree, a little pup, gote choto kukura pila seiti ko dodi asila because that little pup also gets wet. The cute pup, the pup is brown and cute. The pup is what in color, children? The pup is brown in color and cute also. The pup is looking cute now. And the cute pup stops near Amol. That cute pup, se choto kukuro pila kon kala doggy. So Amol pakhare aski thiyala because the cute pup also doesn't want to get wet in the rain. It rains and rains. Borsa bahut jore poduchi ebong poduchi. The tree gets wet. Amol gets wet. That little pup gets wet too. Children, when it will rain too much na, tree also cannot save us because tree is having only leaves and branches. So we cannot stand without getting wet under a tree if the rain will continuously falls. Understood, children? Suddenly it stops raining. Amol runs home. Suddenly ବର୍ଷା ପଡ଼ିବା ବନ୍ଦ ହେଇଗଲା. Amol ଦୌଡ଼ି ଦୌଡ଼ି ଘରକୁ ପଳେଇଲା. He wants to reach home soon. So ସେ କାହିଁକି ଦୌଡ଼ି ଦୌଡ଼ି ଯାଉଥିଲା? ସେ ଓଦା ହେଇଯାଇଥିଲା, ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସେ ଘରକୁ ଦୌଡ଼ି ଦୌଡ଼ି ଯାଉଥିଲା ଜଲ୍ଦି ଘରେ ପହଞ୍ଚିବା ପାଇଁ. The pup runs after him. The little doggy also runs behind Amol. It starts raining again. Oh, what a rainy day. So ସେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଘରକୁ ଦୌଡ଼ି ଦୌଡ଼ି ଯାଉଥିଲା ପୁଣି ଥରେ ବର୍ଷା ଆସିଗଲା. So Amol thought that, oh, what a rainy day. କି ବର୍ଷା ଦିନ. Have you ever faced this type of problem, children? So now rainy season is going on na. I think some of you have faced, but some of you will not because nowadays shutdown, lockdown, everything is going on. We cannot come out from our house. So it is very less chance to get wet in the rain. But it is good to not get wet in the rain because if you will get wet, you will fall sick. Understood, children? So that's the story. It is what a rainy day, about a rainy season, a rainy day. Understood? So in next class, I will tell you some difficult words from it and we will do the exercise of it also. Okay, children? That's it for today. In next class, we will do the exercise. Have a good day.